Okay, here now it's time to talk. Ayun. Say Okay, nice one. Say B. Okay, nice trying. Say K. Very good. Say D. Ay, very nice. Say E. Okay, nice one. Say F. Okay, good job. Say G. Yay, nice one. Say H. Okay, that's good job. Say E. Very good. Say J. J. Okay, that's nice. One more. Say K. Okay, nice one. Say L. Yay, nice one. One more. Say M. Very good. Say N. N. Okay, nice trying. Say O. Very good. Say P. P. Good. Say P. Okay, good. Say P. Okay, nice trying. Say Kwa. Ay, nice one naman. One more. Say R. R. Okay, nice trying. Say S. Very good. Say T. T. Okay, one more. Say T. Okay, good. Say U. Very good. Say V. V. Okay, good. Say W. Okay, nice one. Say X. Go. Okay, nice one. Say Ya. 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 Okay, nice one. And say Z. Yay! That's very good. And time to talk is all done. I'll give me high 10. I'll give me high 10. I'll give me high 5. I'll give teacher kiss. Asan yung mwa? Asan yung mwa? Asan yung mwa? Asan yung mwa? Mwa. Mwa.